On this video, I will show you how to remove the center console for the 2012 Hyundai Accent. You have to remove first this 4 screw or clip for the center console. So 2 on the left side and there's other 2 on the other side. So you just have to use a screwdriver. Remove the shift knob. To do this, press on the chrome part, press it on the side, press it hard, then pull it down. Then you have to remove this clip using a flat screwdriver. So just pry it towards you. Then you can remove the clip. And here's your shift knob. And next is to remove the cover. Use a prying tool to protect the plastic part. And remove the connector for the gear indicator. So underneath that carpet on your center console, there's a bolt there. So you will need 10mm socket for this one. We'll be using the 10mm for all of the bolts here. Then remove this one, just pop it open. And you have 2 screws here and this one. Next, you have to remove the panel for the cigarette sockets. I find it easier to remove this from behind. So this one have clips. I'll show you. Yeah, you see those clips for the panel for the cigarette socket. So you just have to press it, then push it. So these are the locks for the panel for the cigarette socket. So from behind, just press it, then push it at the same time, then disconnect the wiring for this one. Then you have another 2 bolts here. So still we will be using the 10mm socket. For the center console, you have 2 separate parts. So the first one is from here going to back, and from here going to the forward part. So let's remove the back part first. Just pull this one up. And make sure your handbrake is pulled up all the way up. While you are doing this, press on the brake, so just in case accidentally you hit this one and this handbrake goes down. Okay. Before you remove the second half of the center console, there's still one more here, a 10mm nut also. Then from the side, pry open the panel of the center console. So as you can see, the lever for the shift knob is blocking this part of the center console, so you have to move this one down. So don't forget to press on your brake before shifting and put it back. So there you are, center console removal for the 2012 Hyundai Accent.